What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Man, it's blazing hot right now in Vegas, but look, we about to go ahead and get these badges knocked out. I got the 345 badge, I got the RT badge. About to go ahead and rebadge the car, make it do what it do, make it pop a little bit more. I'm gonna walk over to the car real quick, show you what it looked like. I got everything pre-clean because, like I said, it's blazing, and I'm not trying to fucking cook out here, but let me go ahead and show y'all real quick. Hemi sign, clean. We got that done. And then we went ahead and clean back here. That's where I'm gonna go ahead and drop the RT badge at. So I'm gonna stop talking, man. We just go ahead and jump right into it. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so this is the moment of truth. So before I turned on the camera again, I had to examine this piece. This piece is real tricky. It's cut out, but you have to be very careful of this red tape in the back, because it'll actually pull out the whole damn piece that's supposed to stick to your car if you pull it off too hard. So I'm only gonna do one side, man, because I definitely don't want to fuck this up. So let me go ahead and peel each of these numbers off. There we go. So that's what it should look like. It should look like that. Take it off this number 5. Boom. I'm about to take it off to number 3. Boom. So this is what it looked like. Just like that. So now I'm about to stick it on the car. Whew. Man, I'm telling you, All right, it looked like it's on there, so I just want to make sure I push it all the way in and make sure it sticks. This shit is tricky. And then once you get a good grip, that's what you're supposed to do is, oh yeah, there we go. That's money right there. Let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna have to come back a little bit later and fine tune everything with like a toothpick or something. But for the most part, the letters are on here and they in the perfect spot. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, like I said, it's just a little bit of this leftover residue paper on the inside. I'm gonna get a toothpick or something like that, and I'm gonna just go ahead and clean that off. But I'm gonna just show y'all what it looked like afterwards, because like I said, I am not trying to fuck this up. So I'm about to go ahead and turn this camera off, and I'm gonna get back at y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. All right, y'all, and we back, man. I had to go ahead and shut that camera off, man. I was nervous. I was shaking like booty meat. You know what I'm saying? But look, we got it going. I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all what it looked like from the side real quick. That red make it pop. That red make it pop a lot more. Let me go ahead and get close up on it. I was able to get it perfectly on there, and then I had to go through with a small little knife, and I was able to get the rest of that paper out without scratching the car. So that's the right side. Go ahead and walk over here. We got the RT badge right in the back, in the perfect location, looking real good. Dodge steel chrome. That's gonna be the next video though. I'm gonna go ahead and plastic dip that black, just black out the back, but I'm gonna actually leave the Dodge. I like that. And then we'll go over here to the left side of the car. Let y'all see what it looked like on this side. Got that perfectly on there as well. Going a little bit closer. Did the same thing as the other side. Took a little bitty knife and went ahead and got the rest of that paper out. And that's pretty much it, man. These badges make the car stand out a lot more. So my next mod that I'm thinking about doing, of course, man, I got to get the red caliper covers. I think that's gonna make that red pop even more. And shit, I got to put it together, man. Y'all got to give me some ideas. So if you like the video, let me just go ahead and step back real quick, man. Let y'all see the car one more time. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see me do to the car, man. Excuse me, I'm over here breathing hard as hell. I'm telling y'all, man, it's hot as hell right now, but I went ahead and got this shit done. So yeah, man, if you like the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be at y'all next week with another video. One.